Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can set double spaces on Google Docs mobile apps. So here I've already on the apps and I'm going to just start by opening the file. Okay, so if you want to edit a file in Google Docs app, you need to click on the pencil icon first at the bottom. And then to set the double spaces, you can just block the parts that you want to change its space. Okay, for example, I want to change the first paragraph, and then you need to go to click on the A here at the top, and then go to paragraph, and then here you can see there is a line spacing option. So just click on that option, or you can just click on the arrow up to change it into two or double space, and it will be changed accordingly. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click on the thanks below, leave a comment, subscribe, and like this video. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Bye.